I hope you had a wonderful holiday. Now the holiday season is over, 2020 started. We are starting with a new project. This house is an old house, it's an original, it's never been renovated, and right now we are at a phase of designing and getting permit. So while my crew is out there and they are doing their job for surveying the site, I'm going to start measuring the house and start my own drawing to get a city permit. Before we do anything, I want to show you how this house looks like right now. Let's go! Wow! So the kitchen is tiny, it's small, it's old, everything needs to come out. Okay, so I'm sitting in front of the fireplace in the main living room area. It is very dark here because there is no recessed light and there is no pendant, and also it's a very gloomy day. It's raining outside. It has been raining forever and ever here in Vancouver, and the roof is leaking, so the rain doesn't help, and right now the whole ceiling is wet, and I can see the drops from the ceiling to the floor. It is crazy. And also, the carpet is red and fluffy. It's very old. You know how they say the trends come back? Here it is, right behind me. The wallpaper has a lot of pattern and it has a lot of flowers, and that's what's right in at this moment. The wallpaper in the market have a lot of pattern, a lot of flowers, a lot of leaves. So I guess the trends come back. Should we keep this? Okay, this is the master bathroom. It is very small, it's tiny, still the same wallpapers in the wall, and they actually have two types of wallpaper. They have the flowery one and the striped one right behind me. The shower is a corner shower and there's a small toilet right at that corner. It's so tiny for a master bathroom. It doesn't even seem like it. Wait till you see the changes. This place needs a big renovation. Check out the wall switches. Oh my God, this is classic. Now I'm in a basement, and one of the requirements that my client has is having a legal suite in the house. A lot of people do that, they rent it out, and it can help them toward their mortgage, but there is a certain building code requirement for having a legal suite in a house. We need to propose that to the city. So I'm just checking out electrical panels and the walls and everything. I think a lot of things need to be changed to be able to have this legal suite in this basement. But the whole basement not going to turn out to only be the suite. I think part of it I'm going to give to the client to have it as a party room or a media room or a gym. I'm not sure yet, but we'll figure it out. I'm gonna start with creating a mood board and my concept for this house. I've talked with my client, they're very excited about this project. They're aiming for more modern, contemporary design, and they are a family that have a lot of parties, so they are very interested in open concepts. I think I'm going to remove a lot of walls, including the walls in the middle that's separating the kitchen and living room area, and also even the walls right behind me. Going through the backyard, I might make a beautiful patio back there. I'm thinking extending the house, so we're definitely gonna have some addition area to the house, so I need a full architectural and interior design drawing for the permit as well as the structural. Yeah, we should start right now. I'm already late, I've talked too much. I'm hoping that I don't make you very bored with this video. It's nothing very interesting here, but it's good to see the process. Every project has the nature of its own, and it can take a while from start to finish, sometimes even years. We just started this, so stay tuned and stay with me till I finish it. You have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. See you next time.